So I'm trying to get my Fly One Motorsport carbon fiber fenders and AMS rear wing installed this week, hopefully before FuelFest. I'm trying to get it ready. My buddy Danny from Prism Design is going to be doing all the work for me. He's going to be doing some paint correction I should say, on my on the car. I got some pretty bad paint scratches, I guess you could say, paint chips on the roof, and on the hatch is the worst one for sure. I got a little bit of sun damage, nothing crazy, but I think I could get that corrected as well. That's gonna be the next big thing that I do before FuelFest. And again, I'm gonna be entering in the non-judged area, so if it was judged, it'd be a whole different car, to be honest. I don't think it's ready for the judged area. There's so many other badass cars that are gonna be there. You got Skylines, you know, you got everything there. So yeah, I don't think I can compete with those guys at all. But again, I'm the hardest judge of my car, so little sneak peek of those fenders. You guys probably seen these before in other Z's.
Nice.
I am excited for it to be on the 370 finally. So let's get these unboxed, and because I gotta make room for the body kit now. The body kit should be coming in this week. I just got the email for it a couple days ago, but they still have to call me to set up the pickup time and all that, or the drop-off time and all that. So just waiting on that phone call, and I definitely need to make room because there's no room in this garage whatsoever, as you can see. Sneak peek of my wing. I don't want to take it out of the box, so I still gotta take it to my buddy's shop, so I gotta keep it protected as possible because I am bound to get it scratched up. I also have some other stuff I need to put on. I got this fourth brake light from Z1 Motorsports that I need to get installed. Mine didn't come with one. I think it's just like an old model that didn't have it yet. And then I have some carbon fiber door handle covers. Don't judge me, I know it's kind of cheesy, but I don't like the OG handles that it came with. They just look super ugly, and it just messes up the look of the car, I think, in my opinion. I would rather have actual carbon fiber door handles and not just covers, but maybe next year. I think for now, I'm gonna see how these ones hold up. Then I'll finally just pull the trigger on them. You guys can check out the daily right there. Tell what car I take care of the most. It's definitely not that one. So I'm trying to make room right now in the Z. My buddy Danny hit me up on Instagram saying that he's pretty much gonna be ready for me soon to take in my car to get worked on. So I got my carbon fiber fenders all wrapped up. I got my AMS wing right here all wrapped up as well. So I'm trying to make room in the car. There's no room right now with the subwoofer in there. As you can see, this is a pretty big subwoofer. I bought this off of OfferUp of somebody else that had a Nismo. I think they ended up selling their Nismo, so I think they were just partying it out. I'm not sure if they got it custom made, but I've never seen this before, so thought it was pretty cool. Alright, it's officially November 16th. FuelFest is on December 6th, so it's just a few weeks away. And I'm about to drop off my 370Z with my buddy Danny. Finally gonna get it worked on. I'm only gonna do the spoiler installation, the paint match for it, the fenders, carbon fiber fenders installation, and the holes cut for the side markers right here. And also repaint the roof. You can see there's like paint chips. You can see it right here. There's quite a few, but the worst one is definitely on the hatch right there. That's always been bothering me. I got some other stuff that can get repainted as well, but just gonna do those for now. And I did get my body kit finally from Fly One Motorsports. It's a huge box, and I cleared all that room in the garage for nothing really, because this pretty much took everything. I'm probably not gonna have time to do the installation for the body kit. I definitely won't have time. This is probably gonna be for next year's FuelFest. My buddy did give me a quote for it, and it's a really good quote, so I'm definitely gonna do it through him. I like using him just because he's really meticulous and thorough with his work. All his work that he does, he definitely shows pride in his work, so I like using him. So yeah, I have this. I did order a Tomei exhaust, and I should be picking that up from Concept Z store here in Arizona. I'll probably do that on Tuesday because I don't have time on Monday. So that'll probably be part 3 of the series. But yeah, super excited to finally get this dropped off and worked on. I'll probably just show a quick video of me driving over there to his house. Big shout out to Fly One Motorsports. Man, not only did they come through for a sticker that I asked for, I asked if I could buy a sticker off of them because I couldn't see anything off their merchandise on their website. But they're like, we got you, dude. Like, there's like, give me your t-shirt size and we'll put up a package for you. Man, they sent me a couple t-shirts, 2 stickers, 2 air fresheners, and this big Fly One Motorsports flag, which is so dope, dude. Like, definitely big shout out to those guys, man. Sponsorship coming soon?
I will not bow to any sponsor.
Nah, we'll see. But yeah, those guys are definitely good peeps. Good peeps for sure, man.